Daryl here. The channel is Programming Any Language. The supporting website is www.black-duck.com. The video is Phone Number Application Part 4. With the formatted phone numbers resting safely in the output list box, it is a simple matter to write a routine that saves this data to a text file. All we'll do is leap through the output list box and write the data to a file the user has selected through the Save Dialog control. Here we go. All we need to do is write the save file, and we've written the output file routine. We'll do that right now. We'll go to our save file routine. All we need to do here is basically put in our try with our catch for our system errors. Oops. I want catch exception EX. Yeah, I do want that catch. Exception EX. Except, what's wrong with this? Capital E. And is it looking okay? It looks like it's okay. Exception EX. I think we're okay here. And we'll do a message box. Dot show, and it'll be ex.message, and this will write display system message. That takes care of that catch piece. And we'll now put our try in place, and we'll set our stream writer up. str stream writer, and we'll call this one output file. Oh boy, that really got screwed up. Name the file and get rid of all this garbage I got in here. There we go. Output file's in place. We now do an if. Geez, why am I getting all this extra stuff in here? Here we go. If DLG save file dot show dialog is okay, we want our block of code. Else, we want to say message box. No, we don't need an else here. It's okay. Yes, we do. Else, we can say, yeah, message box. Show. Operation canceled. And then we go up to our code up here. So we're going to say, basically, if we've got the successful file, we're going to say output file is equal to file dot create text. I'm not going to be overwriting any. I'm not going to be appending anything, so I'm just going to do is the create text and do it from square one here. And it's a DLG save file name, so we do have that piece in place there. So whatever the user names it, we'll get. And we can say for int I is equal to 0. I is less than. It's not intermediate items count. It's going to be int output count, and then we'll do an I++ and put our block of code in here. Let's change this to output, LBX output. We're looking at the output file. LBX output items. That's good. And so for each one of those guys, we're going to go ahead and write them. So we're going to say output file dot write line. And what's it going to write? It's going to write LBX output dot items to string. And it'll do that until it's done with the loop. When we're done with that, we want to go ahead and we'll set up a little message box here. Message box dot show file has been written. And we also want to then output file dot close. We're going to close the file. And that's it. Should work. File save. Start it. Read our file. There's our phone number.txt. Grab it, open it, process it, and now save it. Save it as what? Well, we'll call it output formatted. We'll call it formatted phone numbers. Text. And save it. File's been written. I can exit the program. I can go and look at the file now. I should have it somewhere around here. I don't want to close the file. I'm going to bring it open. Get it open here and go to it. It's in our text processing. It's in our phone number application. And there's our phone number, formatted phone numbers text right here. And there it is, nice and formatted. Just like, unlike the unformatted phone numbers, the formatted phone numbers are nice and formatted. So that's all it takes, and this actually does the process. That's it. The application is complete. In the next video, however, I'm going to change things up a bit and change this application to one that uses the insert method instead of the substring and concatenation. Thanks for watching. Visit the website when you get a chance, and please subscribe to the channel. There's more stuff coming every week. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.